How to show or hide grid lines in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how you can quickly show and hide grid lines in Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet here. These lines are the grid lines, okay? Grid lines is here to differentiate each cell, okay? Now these are not borders, okay? If I add border, now this is border, but these gray lines, these are grid lines, okay? So let's remove it. Now usually you can see these grid lines whenever you start Microsoft Excel, and sometimes it's hidden and you need to show it. But if you want to hide it, how you can hide grid lines? Let's learn that now. Click on View tab, and here you have grid lines. If you uncheck this, you can see the grid lines has been removed. So if in any case you open your worksheet and you can't find grid line, this is how you can show it. So grid line and check mark. Okay. Now there is another reason we might need to hide or show grid lines, and that's when we print our work. So if I write something here, and here you can see in our normal view we have grid lines, but if I press Ctrl P, and you cannot see the grid lines here, okay? But if you want your grid lines to appear in printing, you need to activate it, and for that you'll have to click on the page layout option, and here you can see grid lines, and there are two options. First one is for view, which is active right now. If I uncheck it, it will remove the grid line, and I'm going to check mark this. And the second part is print option. If I check mark or uncheck, we cannot find any result here, but this will affect when we print our worksheet. Okay, so if I check mark here, and if I want to print it, and you can see our grid line has appeared in our printing. Okay, so this is how you can show or hide grid lines in Microsoft Excel. Now the keyboard shortcut to show or hide grid line for general purpose is ALT+W+V+G, and to show it is ALT+W+V+G again, and you will find your grid line. Now if you want to add grid lines when you want to print, the keyboard shortcut will be ALT+P+P+G, and if you want to remove the grid line, you will have to press ALT+P+P+G again. This is how you can show and hide grid lines in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.